Welcome back to the garage. Today I finally get to start working on the F100 again. The Camaro's done. Done. Yay, finally.
Finally, one more pass with toilet paper.
For now, hopefully nothing breaks on that for a while because we're going hardcore into the F100 Mercury Grand Marquis swap. I got a lot of the parts ready to go for that, but I need to fix this truck first because it runs like poo.
Oh yeah, full Winnie the Pooh.
Biggest reason it's running bad is the carburetor's probably all clogged up because it sat for 5 years and I never took the time to clean it. So let's get this thing off of here. I'm surprised it even ran, to be 100% honest, but hey, it's cool. Oh yeah, these are, yeah, that's rusted pretty good. This might take a while. Your seat on there, good. It's not as bad as I thought, but definitely stuff in there. See how simple this little setup works for your float. Fuel level goes up, raises this float, closes it so no more fuel comes in, lets it drop back down when it gets too low and refills back up. It's no different than how your toilet in your house works. It's exactly the same. This is gonna be long and boring, so let's go ahead and move on to something else. Cleaned that all back together. Really wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. But I discovered what my problem actually was. And it wasn't the carburetor. It was these. These are little rubber boots. Focus. They cover up the vacuum lines. You see there's a nice split in there. Both of them, the one here and one on the other side, were just as bad. Yeah, vacuum leaks with a vacuum secondary carburetor. Not so good. Carburetor's back on. All right, I got all new plugs for all the vacuum ports, so all that's fixed up. Now we need to move on to fixing my power steering leak, which is this hose clamp right here. Nothing big, hose is fine, just the clamp is messed up. Picked up a new clamp, gonna swap that out, then we're gonna fire up and see if this sucker works. I was curious on why that clamp just kept spinning for that power steering hose. Yeah, I think that missing chunk right there would have something to do with it. Fixed, carburetor fixed. Time to find out if this sucker starts and runs and stops leaking. There we go. Oh, that sounds so much better. It already idles smoother. So the good news, runs so much better. Bad news, I found another leak. Power steering hose is fixed, but now I have an oil leak from the oil sending in it. So close, so close. The actual sensor itself is leaking, so I had to go to the store and get a new one. And I found more leaks on this truck, so yeah, but I'm tired. I'm gonna call it night for tonight, so back at it in the morning. Day 2 of working on the F100, getting it up to speed. And I've been showing it all this love, tender care, caressing her. And how does she repay me? She decides to dump a whole bunch of ATF. I have no idea where that's coming from. I'll add that to the list before we can drive it around town. Yay! Woo! Sad faces! Sad faces! Alright, no more crying. Time to get to work. Sooner I get this thing running, sooner we can start doing the build. Are you kidding me? Rip apart the whole carburetor, fire it up. No problem yesterday. And today, my needle seat stick. Time to fix it. Fixed. Carburetors are easier. Oh, they don't have problems. No. You just tap them with a hammer or fix them with a screwdriver. Never had a problem with fuel injectors gushing all over the freaking place. News, I know what's wrong with the carburetor. Need new needle and seats. Great. Bad news is, nobody has the parts I need around here. Closest speed shop I have is an hour and a half away. I'm not driving that far for a set of needle and seats. Just go order them from Summit, AutoZone, Discount, Napa, O'Reilly's other parts. They have a very small selection of carburetor parts. I mean, it's not like carburetors are ancient and nobody really uses them anymore because they're so outdated, but who knew? Alright, I'll stop knocking on carburetors. They do work. It's just annoying I gotta order the parts. So we're gonna end this video here. I'm gonna do a quick oil change. I'm not gonna bore everybody with that. So until next time, peace. Go work on your own cars.